Hey, what's up, man? How you doing? Is this your car? Come here. Is this your car? Come here. Where you going? You don't have anything on you I need to be concerned about, do you? I'm gonna don't take your hands in it. I'm just pat you down for your safety and mine. Okay, that's it. Interlace your fingers for me. Interlace your fingers for me. Like there you go. Separate your feet for me.
She's in the store, man.
Who's in the store?
The chick.
Who's the chick?
The chick who owns this car.
What's that?
The chick who owns this car.
What's in your pocket?
I don't know.
Keep your interlace your fingers for me.
Why are you grabbing on me?
Huh? I'll let you know in just a second, okay?
Yeah, I understand, but you go on.
Hey, stay in the car. Stay in the car. Okay, grab her. Come here. Oh, shit. Hold on, hold on. One Baker Rep, 1490 Perry. We need an ambulance and car's code 10 now. Don't stay on the fucking ground. Don't fucking move. Watch it over there. Throw your gun out. Run over. Run to your safety. Are you okay? I think so. Secure any females inside 7-Eleven. She's got the gun to the side over here. Come grab it if you can. Right here.
Ruger LCP semi-automatic handgun at the scene. This handgun had a magazine capacity of 6 rounds and could carry 1 in the chamber. When recovered, there were no live rounds in the chamber or the magazine of the gun. In Ms. Fernandez's purse, a second magazine with 6 live rounds was located. It was determined the handgun Ms. Fernandez possessed was stolen in a criminal trespass to a motor vehicle in March of 2019. Detectives located 2 spent .380 cartridge casings that were forensically matched to the handgun recovered from Ms. Hernandez. One of the rounds that was fired by Ms. Hernandez was recovered from a business on the north side of Colfax Avenue. The officers and the male who was detained were in the path between where the round was fired and the business that was struck. The round that was recovered was forensically matched to the handgun recovered from Ms. Fernandez.
Oh, shit! She's still up.